haul. Kind of a small haul, but there's a lot of amazing deals at Walgreens. So thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything throughout the video, please drop a comment and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. So let's dive into the deals. So the first deal I did two different transactions. The diapers this week are on sale and part of a promotion. If you look on the back of the ad, it is right here. So it's spend $20 and get $5 back in points, so 5,000 points. The diapers are included, and then the Charmin and Bounty are included as well, which is awesome. So what I did is I picked up 2 of the diapers. There is a $3 off 2 coupon from the $9.29 P&G, but there's also a digital, so you can just clip the digital to your card. That saves you $3. Then the Charmin, which is not in the photo here, I already sold it to someone, but so for the Charmin, it is $9.99. There's also a $1 off digital coupon, so make sure you clip that, send it to your card. I also combined this deal with a Catalina booster. It was a same thing, so spend $20, get 5,000 points back. So because it is a spend booster, you cannot use points to pay. You have to use register rewards or cash out of pocket to pay to make sure you get those booster points back. So total out of pocket on these are 2 for $18. And then the Charmin is $9.99. So it wound up being $28. Then the $3 off 2 came off. Then the $1 off 1 for the Charmin came off. So your total out of pocket, let me do this in my head because I don't have it written down. I'll post it here at the bottom of the screen. Total out of pocket is for $24. But you're gonna get back 10,000 points, which is the equivalent of $10. 5,000 points for the deal and 5,000 points for that booster Catalina that I had. So you get back $10. So your final out of cost is $14 for all 3 items. So not a bad deal. It brings down the diapers quite a bit. Originally, these are $12.99 each, but this week they're on sale, so it makes it a really hot deal. Next deal I did is on the Tide and on the Garnier Fructis. So, where's my book? Okay, so we have a new savings book. This is called the IBC booklet. It is in the front of the store. Make sure you guys pick it up. There's tons and tons of coupons in here. And these are store coupons, so you can combine them and stack them with digital coupons and manufacturer coupons. So, for the Garnier Fructis, they're on sale 2 for $7. There is a $3 off 2 digital that you can send to your card. Then on page 19 of the IBC booklet, there is a $1 off each coupon. So it's a $1 off 1, but it'll apply to everyone that you buy. So if you bought 5, it'll apply 5 times, you'll get $5 off. So it's right here at the bottom. So it's a $1 off. So all you have to do is either bring this booklet and have them scan it, or you can clip this on your account as well, and then it'll automatically come off. So whatever's easier for you guys. Final cost on these is $2 for both, or just $1 each. So amazing deal, definitely a stock up price. The next deal I want to do is on the Tide. So these are on sale for $4.99. There's a $2 off digital, and then I had a $2 off coupon from PNGeveryday.com. Or if it's in your inserts, if your region gets them in your PNG insert, you would have had it that way as well from the $9.29 PNG insert. So these wound up being just $2.99 each, not a bad deal. The booster I combined on my second transaction was the $2 off of $15. So the last deal that I did is on the Revlon. So this is the best deal. So Revlon and Almay select items are on sale, buy 1, get 1 free, buy 2, get an $8 register reward, which is amazing. So these are on sale 2 for $12.74 because they're $7.79, but it's buy 1, get 1 half off. So it's 2 for, I think it's $12.74 is what these came to. I used 2 $4 off coupons. That takes off $8. So you're gonna pay $4.74 out of pocket get back that $8 register reward. It makes it for a $3.26 moneymaker, which is amazing, amazing, free, so exciting. So, final out of pocket was not bad because I had that $2 off 15 booster. So that made for a really great deal. There are a couple other deals that I want to do. I just didn't have time to pick them up. I'm probably going to do the this deal again, but get some Pantene. So I'll let you guys know if I do go again. I'll make sure that I post another video for you guys so you can see the breakdown. All the information is going to be in the description box as well. So if you guys need anything, you can just look there, print it out, and take it to the store with you guys. Make sure you clip your coupons beforehand. I only had one issue. This one did not come off, so I had to call the customer service line, and they just gave me the 3,000 points back, which is the equivalent of the coupon, which was $3 off of 2. So not a big deal on that. That was the only one that didn't come off. Everything else went fine. So those are all the deals that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Just a quick short video, and I will see you next time.